So I ordered the Instapot 6-quart, and this is the Duo model. Okay, here's a little recipe booklet. And the user manual. That'll be important. And a quick reference guide. I like that. I might take a picture of it on my phone so I can grab it quickly. Okay, there's my plug. Let's see. Power cord important. And here is the pretty piece of machinery. Okay, I hear that this is important, the sealing and venting valve. So I'll learn all about that. So like the shield. Important. Lots of buttons. Gotta get to know those. And imagine I slide it and open. There we go. Here's some of the utensils. Let's see. I think that's the rice paddle. I don't really eat rice, so I don't know. A little measuring cup, I imagine, so you know how much liquid to add. I think that's the condensation cup that you hook on the side. And a little ladle here. Warning labels, don't forget your warning labels. I'll put that with my user manual. I think this is the little steaming rack. Some of you may know more than me. Eggs, that might be one of my first recipes is boiled eggs. And there's the insert. All right, and the warning. There's the heating element. You know, it's really not heavy. I'm 6 months pregnant at the taping of this video. Not a problem for me, that's a good thing. So now that all my items are laid out and ready to go, I'm gonna read the instruction manual, do my sanitation. I'm sure there's some tests you have to do to figure out your steam, and I'm sure there's really important things involved. So I'm gonna move on to that next. I'm thinking my first recipe might be making hard-boiled eggs just because it seems like a good intro, but then I'll branch into chicken breasts and even going from frozen straight to cooked and all the different ways that I can make protein that has flavor and texture. And I'm really excited about the saute feature. I'm thinking fajitas. Anyway, my ideas could just keep going. So hopefully you'll be seeing soon the library of recipes building for bariatric specific Instapot recipes. Thanks for watching.